So let's just sit on that for a minute. I can't believe I have that at my house. I really can't. The last 2 days have been pretty crazy. Yeah, probably some of the craziest 2 days of my life. Just nuts. I'm still kind of blown away and shocked that I have this now. I want to go ride and do a first ride, but we can make that out. That ain't really gonna let that happen. So, and I'm not one to test Mother Nature. I don't think rides are fun when it's in bad weather. It is hot as hell. It's like 90 degrees, but it is about to come down pretty soon. You can tell it from there too. So we kind of gauge the clouds and what it looks like, and then it tells you, and there you go. But this is insane. Like, if you guys know me well, you know I like to detail and, you know, customize the shit out of bikes, but the way this thing looks, I don't really want to do it. The only thing I don't like is, and it's nitpicking, is that this shit is in matte black paint again. And I was trying to get away from that because this guy has matte black paint. So his remake is coming too pretty soon. So I'm excited for that. He won't look like that no more. Kinda, but a little bit different. But yeah, man, this is awesome. I want to go ride it right now, but it is not a good idea. So we play it safe, and I guess I'm gonna learn about it today. I know there's a ton of modes and different things on here that I've never seen before, and this is my first time riding a V4, so this will be really cool. But stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do to this bike. Not only am I doing, learning on this bike, but we have another newcomer too, because the wife is getting back on twos, and next week, or this coming week, we're gonna be picking up a R7 for a Yamaha R7, that is. So a lot of crazy stuff happening in a short amount of time, but we're both gonna learn at the same time, both bikes, and it should be a killer experience. I'll let you guys know how it goes.